Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix no sound during calls on your POCO F7. So first, what you guys want to do is check the volume during a call using the side buttons right here. So as you guys can see, we have the side buttons, and here we need to check if our volume is up. So now if it is, then we can go over to the settings, and here we can also change the volume and the sound and vibration. Now here we can change the media, ringtone and alarm, but if you're in a call and you go over settings, you should also be able to change the call volume. So now after that, what you guys can do is go over to the Bluetooth section, so it's right up top, and make sure that the Bluetooth is disabled to rule out any connected devices to the phone. So it can be your car, your headphones, or anything like a speaker. Now after that, what you guys can do is clean the earpiece right here with a soft brush. Basically, don't use anything sharp because you can only make it worse and you can damage it. So as you guys can see, let me take the case off. Here we have our earpiece. So we need to grab a soft cloth or a soft brush and try to clean it. I recommend using either a soft brush or even compressed air. And now after that, test it with another call or an app. So for example, WhatsApp, Instagram, everything that supports a call system. Now if nothing worked, then what you guys can do is restart the smartphone. So hold the power and the volume up button. Now scroll down until you guys reboot. And here, as you guys can see, now our phone is restarting. So I'll see you guys once my phone is ready to go. So now after the restart, what you guys can do is, let me quickly unlock the phone. Here what we need to do is we need to go over to settings and now go to about phone. So now what we can do is we can scroll down to go to factory reset, and here factory reset our data. But remember to, after you confirm your PIN, to make sure that you back up your items first. It's very important. And after that, if nothing helps you, then it might be the hardware issue and you should get it checked out by a professional. So that's it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, then leave a like, sub and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.